straight up, if you want to survive in Bollywood music industry,
Correct.
you shouldn't be around the people who be like, अरे भाई आ जाओ बहुत काम मिलेगा.
हाँ
उनको बोलो भाई काम दे दो फिर हम
मैं
आ
आऊंगा,
जाएंगे.
right.
एबल्टन भाई जब तक वो शो में गलती नहीं होता ना पता नहीं चलता कि अरे ये भी हो
ये
सकता है
भी
गलत.
right.
क्योंकि घर पे सब सही चलता है ऑनेस्टली.
हाँ.
मेनी टाइम माय सेशन आई रन इट एट होम, यू नो,
आज
एंड आई एम
बड़ा
लाइक सब
करूंगा.
सुपर्ब चल रहा है एकदम परफेक्ट, एवरीथिंग इज वर्किंग फाइन. एंड देन समथिंग और द अदर ट्रिगर्ड ऑन स्टेज एंड देन कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ होता है. देन यू वंडर कि साला ये भी होता है. इफ यू आर नॉट द बेस्ट बट यू वांट टू वर्क विद द बेस्ट, you have to work double hard, you have to network double hard. You know, everything has to be at you have to focus like 10 times more than you always would.
हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू आवर पॉडकास्ट. नाम क्या है?
म्यूजिक वार्तालाप.
म्यूजिक वार्तालाप. आज हमारे बीच एक स्पेशल गेस्ट है जिनका वॉलेट में आई थिंक हमेशा डॉलर्स रहते हैं.
डॉलर्स ही.
डॉलर्स है. इंडियन मनी नहीं और इंडियन अकाउंट भी नहीं है.
Oh
इंडियन
my
अकाउंट नहीं
God.
होगा.
इंडियन अकाउंट नहीं है. बाहर जाते हैं और वो अभी रिसेंटली कितने दिन के लिए गए थे?
I was out for 2 months. Yeah.
2 months के बाद अभी जो
वापस गए.
जिमी फैलन के लिए.
वापस गया जिमी फैलन के लिए और 2 दिन के लिए.
2 दिन के लिए यूएस जाके आए. तो समझ लो फिर वॉलेट में क्या
वॉलेट छोड़ उसका घर होगा यूएस में.
घर है यूएस में, इसलिए कौन जा पाता है भाई ऐसा.
Wow.
तो ये आर्टिस्ट क्लिंटन भाई, उनका नाम क्लिंटन चार्ल्स है, कीबोर्ड प्ले करते, इज़ अ म्यूज़िक प्रोड्यूसर और ट्रैवल करते काफ़ी आर्टिस्टों के साथ. अदनान सामी जी, आतिफ असलम जी के साथ भी आपने काम
Yes,
किया है.
yes.
एंड दिलजीत पाजी,
Yes,
पंजाबी
दिलजीत
म्यूज़िक.
दोसांझ, amazing,
आप
yes.
कुछ भी उनका वीडियोस देख लो, क्लिंटन भाई
see,
पीछे.
yes.
Yeah.
पीछे
हमेशा
रहेंगे,
रहेंगे.
हमेशा.
या
Backbone.
और आई थिंक एक फ्रेंड ने मुझे बोला आप ट्रिगर मशीन भी हो.
Yeah. The technical term is playback engineer.
Hmm.
So I am the playback engineer with Diljit. Not in Diljit, lot of other
नया
artists.
कक्कर
Yeah, Neha
दीदी के
Kakkar,
साथ भी था.
Janita Gandhi.
अदनान सामी.
I've worked with Shan,
Shan.
Adnan Sami ji. I'm
Wow.
still working with.
एंड कपल ऑफ आर्टिस्ट और भी सबके साथ.
Yeah, lots of artists. But it's
Mainly ये
Mainly
yeah, the job is
artist.
playback engineering. So that's the
Nice.
technical term.
So welcome. भैया.
Wow.
Thank you guys.
Yeah.
It's a pleasure to be on Music
Thank you.
Vartalap.
Thank you.
So I'm looking forward to this.
अमेजिंग
so
अमेजिंग अमेजिंग. वाह वाह. क्लिंटन मैं तो क्लिंटन से अभी हम लोगों को कभी ज़्यादा कन्वर्सेशन, हम लोग फ्रेंड काफ़ी सालों से,
हाँ जी.
मतलब आई थिंक 10-15 साल हो गए होंगे, बट हम लोगों ने कभी परफॉर्म नहीं किया, बट हम लोगों का फ्रेंडशिप बहुत अच्छा है. वी आर वेरी गुड फ्रेंड.
और फोटोज भी नहीं होगा कभी भी साथ में.
नहीं
नहीं,
हम लोग
photos
मतलब
नहीं है.
हाँ, मतलब रियल फ्रेंड्स.
Photos-
हाँ
No photos.
वैसा भी बोल सकते हैं, बट
हाँ.
हाँ बहुत अच्छी फ्रेंडशिप. एंड मैंने उसको जब से देखा है अभी तक ही इज़ लाइक सेम. अरे हाय ब्रो, हाउ आर यू. मतलब वो कभी चेंज नहीं हुआ.
काइंड हम्बल है हमेशा
काइंड
से.
हम्बल. एंड अभी मेरे को ये क्वेश्चन करने का है कि अभी इंडस्ट्री में तेरे को कीबोर्डिस्ट भी बुलाते हैं, तेरे को एबल्टन प्लेयर भी बुलाते हैं, तेरे को म्यूजिक अरेंजर भी बुलाते हैं,
अभी
तेरे को-
आउटफिट से मॉडल भी बुलाते हैं.
और तेरे को यूएस सिटीजन भी बुलाते हैं.
या
सो क्या बोलना चाहिए,
क्या
व्हाट इज
बोलना
योर
है?
प्रोफाइल एज अ आर्टिस्ट, बिकॉज सब लोग लाइक एवरीबडी नोज कि
Yeah.
क्लिंटन इज अ अमेजिंग कीबोर्ड प्लेयर, ही प्ले अमेजिंग पियानो आल्सो. And but what is your profile as a musician? What you prefer or what you want to say for a audience?
Correct. So I started off as a keyboard player. I still play the keyboards. I mean,
Amazing.
most of the bands I'm always playing the keyboards and doing something else.
Okay.
But over the last, you can say 8 years, I think from 2016 onwards, I was attracted a lot towards the playback side of it.
Oh wow.
तो Ableton हो गया, you know, live, you know, live oriented
Yeah.
sessions, that kind of stuff, playback. So more often than not now I'm called as a playback engineer. तो मेरे लिए I'm a keyboard player at heart, but
Wow.
by profession now more often than not
Good,
I'm a
good.
playback engineer. So that is what has been you know, doing the rounds lately for me.
Wow, amazing. And how you started, like how you start your journey? कैसा
बचपना
कैसा
मतलब
था?
आप अभी कैसे बात करो ना, मस्तीखोर थे अपने
Correct.
कैमरा के बाहर, वैसी था क्या आपका मस्ती?
So बॉलीवुड में जितना जर्नी है उसका अभी
Yeah.
10 साल हो गया.
Oh, 10 years.
10 years, yeah. I completed 10 years this year, 2024. I started out in 2014 with Janita Gandhi.
Okay, okay.
And from there, then I met a lot of the other artists. I started working with Ash King.
Wow.
And then I worked with Preetham.
Wow.
And then it just took off from there. I met Neha. And then I was working since 2017. I've been working with Neha Kakkar.
touring live
touring with Neha
studio
Kakkar,
session,
yeah.
everything.
And through Neha Kakkar's shows, I met Atif Aslam and I toured a bit with him as well. and then gradually everything eventually led up to working with Diljit Dosanjh,
Wow.
which
Crazy,
is
so
the,
Crazy, yes.
the artist I'm working
Yeah.
currently on
Yeah.
tour with him, his The Illuminati World Tour,
Hmm.
and it's been a fun journey.
Illuminati नहीं
10
है ना
years.
वो?
नहीं Illuminati नहीं
आएंगे
है
आएंगे वो
वो,
पॉइंट पे भी
Illuminati
आएंगे
है वो.
हाँ
आएंगे
डर
वो
लगता
point
है
पे भी आएंगे
कि आज जो लुक भी दिया है ना वो आते ही पूरा ब्लैक
Yeah, so that's the name of the world tour,
Okay,
the Illuminati
okay.
World Tour. We finished USA and Canada.
Okay,
Abhi
okay,
after this
nice.
we have UK, Europe, UAE, and
Wow.
then we are doing an India tour as well.
Great.
So
Oh,
that's
nice.
what's in the pipeline for the next few months.
Wow,
And,
crazy, crazy.
कैसा था मतलब how is your journey कि as a student to then you learn from somewhere I think.
Correct,
So
correct.
then कैसा था वो journey and how you cross that?
I would say I'm still a student because every time something new comes out, every time we go, especially when I go abroad, like I was at Coachella, I saw different musicians there,
Hmm.
and everyone is so has so much more to teach you than you
Hmm.
already know. You know,
Yeah,
it's like
yeah,
never ending. Every
yeah.
time I go there, I think that अरे ये क्या है? You know, ये तो पता ही नहीं है. You know, in India, especially the way they run multi-tracks abroad. You know, the way their sessions are built, the way the softwares that they use, the scripts that they use within the software. I think it's extremely advanced. It's like a vast ocean. Ek bar, you know, once you get into it, you know, you're never getting out of it. You have to keep learning, keep evolving, and that has been the, you know, the headlight. I would say the highlights of my journey is
Wow.
that I had to keep constantly evolving, keep learning.
Hmm.
You know, I realized that just being a keyboard player was not enough.
Right.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that's when I started learning production on Ableton,
Mhm.
and I actually started out on Cubase. But then once I switched to Ableton, then I couldn't go back to Cubase because Ableton is so powerful,
Hmm.
and I would say it's one of the most powerful tools for any live musician.
Wow.
So learning is something that has to
Wow.
happen constantly, and
Amazing,
I think
amazing.
Good,
I'm
man.
very fortunate that I had a lot of good mentors, also a lot of good teachers whom I learned. I was myself a teacher. I used to teach in Furtado's
Wow.
before I started touring.
Wow.
For 3
That's
years I was
nice.
teaching at Furtado School of Music, and then I started getting, you know, full time into music.
Good.
And
एंड
that's-
मतलब तेरा बचपना कैसा था लाइक कैसे यू केम टू म्यूजिक फील्ड
Yeah.
कैसा कनेक्शन बना कौन था वो तेरे को म्यूजिक में लाने वाला या
और आप
Correct.
म्यूजिशियन नहीं होता तो क्या बनते थे
बनता
क्या
था, क्या
होता
था?
था अभी
Correct.
इंजीनियर क्या
आई थिंक यू आर
डॉक्टर
इंजीनियर राइट
I'm a computer engineer. So
Wow.
by education,
Ah.
I'm a computer engineer. I graduated in 2014 as a computer engineer. But मेरे पापा जो है, he was a singer. He still sings.
Oh, nice.
And उनके लिए every Sunday in the church he needed someone to play the piano.
ओके
So that's
Nice.
how he started teaching me. So from the age of 5, I was playing in the church.
वाओ
So most of my learnings have been in the church itself.
ओके नाइस
I had some people I've learned from watching them in church. Bosco Fernandez, if you know, he
yes
plays
yes
with Arman Malik.
yes I know.
He's one great inspiration for me. I learned a lot from him, his brother Ben Fernandez. And then I also had a lot of teachers along my journey. There's Neville Sir, Johnny Fernandez, Xavier
Okay.
Fernandez. So that's how I have reached, you know, where I have reached now,
Okay.
is learning what they were doing and implementing it and
Wow.
stuff.
सो गुड मैन
And once I got into the production side of it, Ableton was pretty much self-taught for me
yeah.
because at that point, like in 2014-15, there were very few guys who
Hmm.
were using Ableton
Ableton,
Live
yes.
Correct.
for the live shows and stuff. And I had to dig YouTube, and I constantly was
Okay.
on YouTube looking at tons of videos and everything, and that's how I actually learned the Ableton part of it.
Wow.
So that would be my journey learning wise.
वाओ गुड
Yeah.
मैन
Wow.
सो गुड
और कोई ऐसा इन्फ्लुएंसर था जो कि मतलब तेरे को एज अ मतलब जब म्यूजिशियन बनने की बात नहीं म्यूजिशियन के पहले जब हम लर्निंग प्रोसेस पे रहते हैं सो ऐसा कोई था कि हाँ ब्रो कि मतलब ये था मेरा इंस्पिरेशन इससे मैं मतलब फुल टर्न आउट हो गया ऐसा
Yeah, something similar happened. Actually, मैं जब कॉलेज में ही था 2012 में, तभी हमारे कॉलेज में एक फेस्टिवल हुआ करता था, सिनर्जी. एंड वो फेस्टिवल ने हमने फर्स्ट टाइम कॉल किया था शान को परफॉर्म करने के लिए.
Wow.
So I was in the organizing team 2012 and we called Shan to perform. And मुझे अभी भी याद है तभी आदित्य देव was on keyboards
yes, yes,
with
Aditya
with
was
Shan,
amazing, yes.
who's now one of the biggest producers.
yes
So 2012 में Borivali में it was the biggest show. Shan had come to
Ah.
Borivali and and
The
I didn't know
circle.
anyone from the band that time, but I remember seeing Aditya Dev and seeing Shan's show in general, and I was blown away. He enters with the song Dawn. At least that time he used to enter with the Dawn song, and the way they arranged it
Wow.
and the whole aura
Wow.
around Shan, it was incredibly overwhelming. And मैंने decide किया कि मुझे अभी musician बनना ही है, because मैं already play कर रहा था piano.
Yeah.
Until that
procedure
point,
में थे, हाँ.
yeah,
Career
until
में
that
तो
point I was
profession,
15 years. I was playing piano for close to 15 years in the church.
हम्म,
It's just that I never thought about it as a profession. क्योंकि
Yeah.
मेरे आसपास में जितने लोग थे या मेरा फैमिली में जितने लोग थे, कोई म्यूजिशियन नहीं है बाय प्रोफेशन.
Okay.
ना ही मतलब एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली में, मतलब कई दूर दूर तक म्यूजिक
है,
एज अ
music
प्रोफेशन
नहीं
से कोई लेना देना
नहीं
नहीं था. वी हैव ऑल डॉक्टर्स, इंजीनियर्स. माय डैड्स फैमिली देयर वर पीपल हु वर इन द एयर फोर्स, इन द आर्मी.
Wow.
So coming from that background,
Yeah.
I had to take the choice whether I want to get into mainstream jobs, be it engineering or something,
Yeah.
or do what was my passion at that point. That was music.
Music.
So when I saw Shan's show, I decided that I'm going to give music a shot.
हम्म,
So immediately after I graduated, I told my parents like, listen, मैं जॉब वॉब नहीं करने वाला हूँ. इंजीनियरिंग
shock में हो गए ना?
इंजीनियरिंग 4 साल का डिग्री मैंने कर लिया, अभी और कुछ भी नहीं करना
डिग्री
है.
कंप्लीट पूरा
Degree was complete. And also I was very good at academics. So I had a distinction in my engineering, a first class I think. But more important than not, in certain subjects in my few semesters, I was a university topper.
Oh.
Like
Oh,
coding,
okay.
mathematics, that kind of stuff. So education wise, everything was going good.
मैथ में सही है, मतलब मनी
वही है.
मनी करेक्ट टाइम में चाहिए.
So
इसलिए उसने वॉलेट निकाल के नीचे रख दिया. ऐसा था उसका वॉलेट.
but then finally I didn't realize that time कि music as a career
हाँ.
में कितना scope है और
कितना
कितना risk भी है, to
Correct,
be honest. So I just got into it, and then 5 years after that I got a call from Shan
Wow.
himself.
That's great.
क्या बात है.
And I got a call to work with Shan, and from 2016 to 2019 I was touring with Shan.
Wow.
Once I think at that
So
time
good,
Aditya Dev was extremely busy with production work, and they needed someone for the live shows, and I got a chance to fill in that spot. And that's how, for me, that was a moment where I felt that okay, I've made it, because I've been
Yeah.
seeing, I saw this guy. That's how I
Correct.
felt I should do it, and then today I'm working with him. I
Manifest.
shared the stage with him.
Manifestation.
Yeah, manifestation worked for me for sure.
Wow. Amazing.
वाह, सो गुड. आपका कुछ पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में बता सकते हो? कैसे हो? चिल टाइप क्या हो? मतलब
कितनी
ऐसे ही
म्यूजिक तो है
ऐसे-
ऐसे, गर्लफ्रेंड्स
कितनी
ऐसे-
गर्लफ्रेंड्स.
Oh, okay.
इतना
Girlfriend.
ट्रैवल कर रहे हो आप हमेशा, डे एंड नाइट, मतलब हमेशा
यहाँ
flight
जो
में हो.
इंटरव्यू देने आ रहे हैं सभी ट्रैवल कर.
हाँ ट्रैवल है, करेक्ट.
सब
मगर
travelling
आपका
में
अलग
हो.
है,
मेरा अलग है.
वो तो
अच्छा.
कंटिन्यू चल रहा है, मतलब
चल रहा है यार.
ऐसा लग रहा है आप कोई पायलट में हो, पायलट.
No, I mean, मैं जिन आर्टिस्ट के साथ काम करता हूँ,
हाँ.
वो आर्टिस्ट ही बहुत बड़े हैं.
Correct.
So I'm fortunate I'm working with some of the biggest artists in the country.
Yeah.
When you are already working with huge names like Diljit Dosanjh,
Yeah.
Janita Gandhi,
Globally.
Neha Kakkar. Once you're working with these artists, then every day is going to be a work day, and every day is going to be new music, new crowd,
Yeah,
new
new
audiences.
people, yeah.
So I would say तो इतना मैं travel करता हूँ, हाँ.
Yeah.
I enjoy it a lot, but thanks to these amazing artists who have always pushed the boundaries.
मगर आप पहले सोचते थे जब स्टार्ट किया कि इतना ट्रैवल कर पाऊंगा
नहीं,
ये
बिल्कुल
आर्टिस्ट में,
नहीं.
ये सब
मेरा
फेस्टिवल्स
पहला
कोचेला एंड
मैं
ऑल, मतलब
बिल्कुल नहीं. कोचेला तो I had never even
इतने
thought in my
musicians
life.
है इंडिया में, मगर कौन?
लेजेंडरी था वो.
See,
हाँ.
मेरा लाइफ में when I decided I'm going to do music, मेरे
Yeah.
पेरेंट्स ने तो क्लियरली मना कर दिया. वो लोग बोला पागल हो गया है. ये
हाँ.
4 साल डिग्री करने के बाद, इतना अच्छा मार्क्स लाने के बाद, उस वक्त engineers were earning, like मेरे जो seniors थे,
या
they were earning anywhere between 25 lakhs a year
पैकेज वाला.
to like
Wow.
15 to 25 lakhs a year. That would be that time a monthly salary of 1 to 2 lakhs a year.
आराम से.
Engineers in India were earning that time. This is 2013, 2014. तो मेरा गोल था कि यार मैं महीने का अगर
Yeah.
80,000 से 1 लाख तक कमाऊंगा,
या
so I'm going to be very happy. Then I will be like, okay, engineering में भी मैं वैसे भी इतना ही कमाता था,
Correct.
म्यूजिक में भी इतना ही कमा रहा हूँ, तो
Right.
ठीक है. I could prove to my parents. So in the first 6 months, obviously that never happened. The first few months when I was working, it was tough because I was not getting enough work. I used to meet a lot of people, but I was struggling to get work because it was really tough, and
I
at
know.
that point I didn't realize it. And to get financial help, I couldn't ask my parents, so I used to do a part-time job in Fatados. I still remember I was at a, I think 8,000 rupees monthly salary
अच्छा.
in Fatados Music at doing a part-time job.
एज क्या होगा तभी आपका?
My age was 20 at that point.
20. हाँ.
Yeah, I was 20 years old.
मतलब 7,000 गर्लफ्रेंड के लिए और
7,000
गर्लफ्रेंड का टॉपिक तो रह गया, वो
makeup
अभी
तो
चेंज हो
4,000 में
गया
जाएगा.
सीधा.
तभी गर्लफ्रेंड अफोर्ड करने का I didn't
अभी
have.
है मतलब
अभी फॉरेनर्स है.
अभी फॉरेनर
No,
इधर भी नहीं उधर है.
But yeah, so I then decided कि okay ठीक है अभी 8,000 कर रहा हूँ, and I was managing, you know, I worked for 6 months, and then I purchased my first keyboard,
Okay.
and I purchased it from Rinku Rajput,
Oh nice.
who was a fantastic keyboard player. He's
Okay,
helped me.
yes.
Since you asked me who helped you in initial days, I must say Rinku Rajput is one guy who helped me tremendously in my initial days. He gave me 2 keyboards.
Okay.
So I still have one of them. You know, it's a Motif XS rack, Yamaha Motif XS rack, and he gave me one of his MIDI keyboards,
Nice.
and he gave it to me at a very cheap price. Because I told him, you know, ये मेरा 6 महीने का सैलरी है,
हाँ हाँ.
मुझे कितना डिस्काउंट दे सकते हो? तो he told me, you know, कितना है तुम्हारा बजट, and we discussed, and he said okay.
Wow.
थोड़ा
And
इमोशनल ब्लैकमेल.
oh, of course,
Yeah.
I was so happy, and because at that point मैंने Instagram तो था ही नहीं, तभी Facebook Messenger था,
Facebook, हाँ,
और
हाँ.
मैंने पूरा इंडस्ट्री को मैसेज किया था
अच्छा.
कि
Broadcast.
hi, you know, I play the keyboards, and you know 2013 का बात है, I want to meet you, you know, can we meet? And nobody replied except
Same,
Rinku
same.
Rajput.
ये मेरे साथ भी
अच्छा.
होता है.
Except
हाँ.
Rinku
अब
Rajput.
वो टाइम पे कुछ था ही नहीं,
था ही
मतलब
नहीं.
जो
सिर्फ Facebook.
यही एक
2010
एक्सेस है ऐसा, टेक्स्ट
हाँ,
करो देखा तो.
10 का 10 से लेके आई थिंक 13 14 तक तो भी मतलब और ज्यादा भी बोलेंगे तो आई थिंक इतना इंस्टाग्राम कुछ
कुछ
आया
भी नहीं था,
नहीं है,
2015 तक भी नहीं था,
हाँ.
and I messaged half the industry, and out of that 1 or 2 people replied. Out of that one guy was Rinku Rajput,
That's great.
and Rinku Rajput said okay, come over, let's meet. And he was performing with KK that time in Bandra Amphitheatre.
Okay.
And he gave me a pass. I went and I watched that show, and I was like, wow, what a band, what a show, and what a singer, you know. It was unbelievable. And then I knew कि मुझे यही करना है, अब तो यही करना है. So I told him कि boss, you know, Rinku, keyboard भी मुझे चाहिए, and then काम भी मुझे चाहिए.
Correct.
So you have to help me to get work, and you let me know. He gave me 2 of the most important shows of my life.
Wow.
One was Preetham.
Hmm.
He called me for Preetham Dada's. That time he was doing the Love Aajkal tour. I think there were 3 Love Aajkal movie just आया था तभी, and we did a 3-city tour, I think, and that was huge for me. And because I met 10 other singers, because with Preetham Live there are so many good singers, you know,
Yeah.
playback singers. At that point, that's how I met Shalmili, I met Ash King, I met Neha Kakkar for the first time on his tour, and I met Nakash, Antara, everyone.
Everybody, yes.
And I ended up working with all these names.
That's great.
You know,
That's great.
Good, man.
not Shalmili, but everyone apart from that, I ended up working in some way or the other.
You're right.
And that itself was a big boost for me work-wise. So I have to thank
Wow.
Rinku Rajput. And then the second person he got me to work with, whom I worked for a long time, was Anusha Mani.
Okay.
So I worked with Anusha Mani for a good 2 years, and I was new. So I was like, they were all seasoned professionals, you
Right,
know,
right.
that we had Vinayak Pol on drums, Sonu Sangveshwaran on
Crazy.
bass,
Wow.
and Vinay Lobo on guitars, Kirti Prabhar on percussions, and those guys were already
Crazy
like
musicians,
pros,
yeah.
you know,
Yeah,
by
crazy
then.
musicians,
And I
yes.
was this new guy, and
Yeah,
I was
yeah.
struggling, man. It was to keep up with those guys, like you know,
Right,
वो लोग
yeah.
rehearsal में ही they were like set, you know. It took me a long while to
Correct.
actually get set because it was really tough, you know. Sometimes you just get an opportunity to work with some of the best musicians in India,
Right.
and then you realize that
Yeah.
I got to up my game, you know.
मगर आपका गेम तो अलग, आप तो एड शेरन के साथ थे.
वो तो अभी हुआ, वो तो अभी हुआ.
मगर वो
That's
तो है
all-
ना बहुत बड़ी
That's
बात
all
है.
now, you know.
मतलब
So
कितने लोग हैं इंडस्ट्री में मगर
Wow.
Yeah,
Ah,
some
शेरन एंड ऑल dude.
some big highlights I would say is
Yeah.
Coachella was
Coachella,
one of the
yeah.
biggest highlights.
वहाँ पे दूसरे म्यूजिशियन से मिले आर्टिस्ट.
Oh, I met
Backstage,
tons of. That's a
कैसा?
whole different story. I met so many
Yeah.
musicians in Coachella, and Jimmy Fallon show I recently
Fallon's,
did
yes,
with
yes.
Diljit.
Yeah.
And apart from that, yeah, Ed Sheeran. So ironically, I'm saying all these 3 were due to Diljit. So I have to thank Diljit
Wow.
and Sonali for putting me on that stage for that
That's
matter.
Wow, wow,
So,
that's great, man.
but I'm really fortunate that I've got to work with so many talented artists, you know, right from 2014 till now 2024, you know, it's so many singers from the industry I've been fortunate to work with, you know, and I'm very grateful
Wow.
to all of
आई
them.
थिंक प्रे करके फास्ट भी कर दे
Fast
जैसे
किया।
फास्टिंग एंड प्रेयर है क्योंकि 15 साल चर्च
Oh,
Gospel
definitely.
music
But
था।
gospel music like
Yeah.
हम लोग भी even
हम लोग सब gospel,
believers
yeah,
हैं, so I
believers
think
हैं।
Correct.
काफी सारे म्यूजिशियन चर्च से ही बाहर निकल के
Correct,
आए
correct, correct.
आई थिंक उसके अपार्ट लाइक जितने भी मैं म्यूजिशियन से मिला हूँ
Yeah.
वो काफ़ी कम है बट जिनको अच्छा नॉलेज है वो आई थिंक चर्च से ही बाहर निकल के आए क्योंकि वहाँ पे म्यूजिक सीन इज लिटिल डिफरेंट लाइक
Correct.
बहुत
It's a
ज़्यादा
it's a different genre. I'll
Ah.
say, you know, if you are someone listening to gospel music,
yeah
and
definitely
you know, it's a whole different level of expertise needed to
right
work in that field.
Right.
So I think
that's good
Yeah.
and can you describe your music style what you listen क्या पसंद है
yes, I listen to a lot of, I would say, R&B, pop, that kind of stuff. So
Okay.
my favorites, my all-time favorites from the past, I would say I used to listen to a lot of Stevie Wonder.
oh nice
Mm.
I still listen to a lot of Bruno Mars, Charlie
Wow.
Puth,
Mm.
Justin Bieber. These are the kind of
Nice.
artists that I listen to.
okay
But in my initial days, I used to only listen to rock and heavy
Mm.
metal.
Oh.
So my favorite bands at that point in time, I was extremely addicted to
Linkin.
Iron Maiden,
oh Iron Maiden okay.
Iron Maiden, Megadeth.
वो तो
Mm.
मतलब
So
सब
these
लोग
were,
था
and
ही
Yes,
because
yes.
I used to play the bass at that time, and
Hmm.
I always wanted to be a bass player also secretly.
okay nice
So I used to watch Steve Harris
so
and Iron
guys
Maiden.
जिसको भी पता नहीं है
हाँ, bass
bass
player
also
और
तो
keys
अगर
play
इसको बुलाने
करके।
का है तो आप प्लीज वापस कॉल
Yeah.
कर सकते हो
I don't I haven't kept in touch with the instrument, so अभी तो मैं play नहीं करता हूँ, but back then I like 2010 2012 in that time I was a bass player because I felt keyboard players we don't get any attention, so I thought you know
bass
guitarists
player
and
आगे
bass
रहता है,
players
इसका
you
तो
go
लोग पूछते
ahead.
कि आप क्यों खड़े हो
हाँ place- हाँ पहले था
पहले
अभी
तभी
आई-
समझ
अभी
में आ
आ
गया
गया।
जब
अभी लोगों
कान
को समझ
में
फट
आ
रहे हैं
गया।
ना सबसे
So you go ahead and you know you have long hair. I grew my hair long.
Yeah.
I had a bass guitar and I was playing in some rock bands. So after doing all of that, I mean, I that was the music I was exposed to. Totally rock.
That's
पर
metal.
डीजे में भी देखा एक पिक्चर वो
Yeah. That is all recent. So
या वो
in
सब
the
कैसा
lockdown,
मतलब क्या
in the
full package
lockdown,
है?
I was
Explore,
producing a
exploring.
lot of music, and Ableton is a very versatile software. So you can DJ also in Ableton.
Yeah.
So I decided, okay, let me learn that part of it, that aspect, that feature of it, and I started DJing. I did a few wedding shows also as a DJ.
सिंगिंग कर दो वो
नहीं मैं
बाकी है।
सिंगिंग नहीं करता हूँ. I mean
वो
I
है।
can just do backing
Backing.
harmonies and stuff,
Hmm.
but mainstream singing I haven't done and I don't think.
Yeah.
अभी तो वो भी उसमें
क्योंकि
भी आ
वो भी
जाएगा।
आ गया तो फिर सबको प्रॉब्लम
उसमें
हो
भी आ
जाएगा
जाओ
फिर।
क्या? No.
No, but that's good. That's good. It's
Yeah,
okay. होता है,
no.
but because
I mean mainstream singing
yeah.
you have to practice a lot. You have to do a
Correct.
lot of riyada. That's a whole different struggle. You know?
Hmm.
Yeah,
For a
yeah.
singer to come up
Correct.
is also really tough. You know, music industry is extremely difficult to you know
Yeah.
come to the top. You have to.
आपने बोले हो बचपन में आपको एक कीबोर्ड लेने के लिए आप इतना पीछे पड़ रहे तो कीबोर्ड मिल जाए हाथ में
Correct.
अभी आपको मेरे को लग रहा नहीं सस्टेनेबल भी लेके जाना है क्या पेडल तक नहीं करना है डायरेक्ट
Yeah, now अभी तो हम लोग कुछ भी कैरी नहीं करते. We have tech riders where everything is you know provided
Sorted.
for, and I use Yamaha most.
क्योंकि
of the
अपने
time.
ऑडियंस काफी लोगों को पता नहीं है बहुत
Hmm.
म्यूजिशियंस लोग ना मेरे को ही बोलते हैं अरे तुम लोग को सामान उठा के
सामान
लेके
उठा
आने
के
के लिए
लेके
भाई ऐसा नहीं है
वो पहले किया मैंने.
हाँ पहले तो
किया
सब
है,
लोग नहीं
वो
किया
किया है, ऐसा नहीं कि
भाई
नहीं किया है.
मैं तो ड्रम किट लेके
किया है.
गया वैसा पूरा
मैंने सब
2
कुछ किया
महीने.
है. You know, I've done all of that. I used to carry 2 keyboards,
Yeah.
a MIDI keyboard, and I had that time Korg Chrome 2 keyboards with 2 flight cases.
फ्लाइट के अंदर लेके जाना
Yeah, flight के अंदर नहीं, I should check them in.
Check them, हाँ.
तो
Case
उसका
है एकदम
हाँ
hard
एक्सेस बैगेज ये वो उसका एक बड़ा स्टैंड में कैरी करता था. फिर खुद ही वो
बाप
स्टैंड
रे.
असेंबल करता था.
टेक भी नहीं है कोई नहीं है खुद
कोई
ही
नहीं,
निकालो
कोई
खुद ही
नहीं,
रखो
वो सब.
But अभी बहुत एडवांस
Now it's of course
अभी तो
improved.
ड्रम्स भी भाई कुछ
Yeah.
नहीं लेके
No,
आना
no,
आप
nothing.
सिंबल्स
Now
भी नहीं लेके
every
आना.
sound vendor in India has all the, at least I'll say, top line, you know,
Yeah.
the series, you know, be it the
Right.
drums, be it the keyboards.
Hmm.
Everyone has the montages, the motifs, you know, so you don't have to carry a
Nice.
keyboard now,
Right.
you know.
Crazy.
And renting a keyboard now is cheaper than paying excess baggage
Right,
in the
right, वो
airline.
बहुत ज़्यादा है.
Flying that
Yeah,
keyboard there and then
yeah,
opening the box and realizing keyboard तो टूट गया.
हाँ
हाँ,
होता है
yeah,
होता
So
है
होता है, of course होता है, सबके साथ हुआ है. So I stopped carrying keyboard because my own keyboard over years of use. 4 years I carried it, 2014 to till 17 I think I was carrying
Okay.
it. वो उसका अंदर से खत्म हो गया था वो
ना?
कीबोर्ड या तो
दिल टूट जाएगा मतलब.
नहीं
Yeah,
वो-
I
नहीं
mean-
क्योंकि स्पेंड कर रहा है ना
You're
इतना
spending, yeah.
इतना स्पेंड
Maintenance,
करने के बाद
yeah.
then
it's
तेरे
a
को
lot.
तेरा कीबोर्ड टूटा हुआ दिख रहा है, सो वो तो
Yeah, it's
और वो भी
crazy.
शो पे अलग
Yeah, yeah,
ऊपर अलग से
100%.
नाटक
वो
वो
तो
भी
हुआ
फ्लाइट्स
भी है।
को ब्लेम करना है अभी कर सकते
नहीं,
हैं.
अभी
इंडिगो है क्या? क्योंकि
नहीं,
मेरे साथ इंडिगो के साथ हुआ था.
किसी को ब्लेम ही नहीं कर रहे हैं, सब अभी
नहीं बट सबका
फ्री टिकट दो,
अलग-अलग
हम लोग ब्लेम नहीं करेंगे.
नहीं बट होता है डेफिनेटली.
होता
मैं
है
तो
यार.
खुद ड्रम किट मैं पहली बार ड्रम किट इंडिगो में डाल के ले गया. मैं फ़ोन कर रहा हूँ ऑर्गेनाइजर को,
हाँ.
भाई मैं बैंगलोर में शो था फर्स्ट, जब मैं पहली बार ड्रम किट लेके ट्रैवल कर रहा हूँ. मैं उसको बोल रहा हूँ भाई एक्सेस लगेज 25,000 के ऊपर जा रहा है.
हाँ हाँ
तो
हाँ.
बोलता अरे नहीं भाई तू अभी लेके अपन कर लेंगे, हो जाएगा. मैं लेके जाके 50,000 रुपये उसका बिल बना, उसने दे दिया. मैंने बोला भाई उससे 50,000 में
किट-
तो नया किट खरीद लेता था वहीं
हाँ
पे.
यार शख्स.
सो
That's
मतलब
crazy.
कोई मतलब ही नहीं था वो सब सीन का ना. बट वो टाइम पे सब लोगों को समझ में नहीं आता था ये सब
Yeah.
चीज़ें जो टेक और ये जो साउंड वेंडर्स ये सब चीज़ें नहीं पता थी. बट अभी बहुत एडवांस हो गया है
Advance
हर
है.
चीज़ टेक्नोलॉजी वाइज प्लस ये जो अपन जो बोल रहे बैकलाइन और ये सब
Yeah,
चीज़ें
yeah,
अवेलेबल है.
yeah.
सो इट्स
Correct.
वेरी इजी बेसिकली टू गेट एनी इंस्ट्रूमेंट नाउ.
now.
Even
किधर
if
भी
you
जाओ
need-
कौन से भी कंट्री में
Yeah, you'll
छोटा
get, yeah,
remote
yeah,
places
any
में
country
भी
you'll
मिलना-
get,
मिलना ही है.
everywhere you'll get. Yeah.
वाह. सो एनी मतलब जब ये जर्नी चल रहा था, सो एनी प्रॉब्लम कुछ आया ऐसा बहुत
Challenges.
चैलेंजेस ऐसा करना पड़ा?
Of course challenges तो बहुत है because
एनी बिगेस्ट चैलेंज ऐसा जो तेरे को लगा कि अरे यार ये बहुत डेंजर था मेरे लिए बट मैंने कर दिया, हो गया, सॉर्ट हो गया?
yeah बहुत challenges है, you know. This industry is sometimes you meet the worst people, you know,
Right,
ethics wise,
definitely.
and more often than not when you start your journey is when you
Yeah,
meet the worst
yeah.
possible people, you know.
Hmm.
People who won't pay you, people who won't give you your due credits,
Correct.
people who will promise you things and then not deliver,
होता है.
you know. So I think everyone has faced, you know, issues and met these kind of people in early stages of your life,
Right.
but then that's what makes you stronger, I think. I think I learned a lot from dealing with, you know, those kind of people. So now at least I know I have
Yeah.
all negative people out, and only the people I'm working with are all the people who are ethically quite sound
That's great.
and
That's
and reasonably well skilled even communication wise,
Yes.
so that if something goes wrong,
Correct.
you know, communication है. पहले वैसा नहीं होता था, you know. I've worked with not
बाप रे.
like musicians also. I've been scammed by musicians also.
So
It's-
how you deal with these people? Like थोड़ा काम क्या
नहीं, नहीं,
आपका
see,
कैसा है?
if see at one point like
yeah.
in the early phases you had no option.
हाँ हाँ
you,
yeah
you
correct.
know you can't go against the seniors to quite an extent.
थोड़ा शांत रह के
Yeah, शांत रह के
हाँ.
करना पड़ा. But आज के time पे in the recent past, if anyone has
Yeah.
done anything, and a few people have done,
Hmm.
I think I've butchered them. मैं छोड़ता नहीं हूँ उनको. You know? It's so difficult first of all to get into the music industry.
Right, right.
Mhm.
Then after you get into the music industry,
फिर ये प्रॉब्लम
then
बाप
music
रे.
is the easy part and dealing with
बाकी,
these
हाँ,
guys is the
ये
tough
अलग
part,
part
you
हो
know.
गया, हाँ.
So then I think जब power है हाथ में तो इनको थोड़ा
हाँ, right.
Yeah,
Side
yeah.
करना चाहिए साइड में, वरना क्या होगा when these guys come into power, then you can imagine. I've seen people come from out of Bombay, you know, stay on rent over here,
Yeah.
you know, pay exorbitant amounts in rent, struggle and do their daily life, do music, and only to be scammed by some wealthy guy sitting in one corner,
Trauma है यार ये.
which doesn't make any sense. कि you know, why should you put up with any of that?
भाई
I mean,
म्यूजिक ही कैसा बनेगा ये सब सोच के. लेफ्ट हैंड पूरा ऐसी एनर्जी आ रहा है.
वो-
Right.
उस वक्त जब जरूरत होता है ना,
हाँ
तो आदमी सब कुछ कर लेता है.
कर ले.
जब जरूरत होता है, और ये लोग ऐसे ही लोग को ढूंढते हैं जिनको जरूरत
जरूरत
है.
है. Right.
They will find people who
हाँ.
need work and they will scam you
Scam you.
because they know that you're not going to do anything. You need work
Correct,
and
correct.
you are making decent money to survive.
Mhm.
You're not making decent money to live a good life.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah,
Hmm.
So, I mean, I think I faced a lot of that in the past.
Wow.
And now I don't think in the recent, I think last 2 years, I don't think.
कुछ नहीं ऐसा कुछ
Yeah,
नहीं.
because I've selectively, I don't work
Yeah.
with people who I know are bad with dealing, especially with money or especially
हाँ.
to cheat you more often
Right.
than not, you know. So, मैं तो इन सब से दूर हूँ.
और लोग भी दूर है अभी.
And
अभी वो-
I make sure
yeah.
that even the people who are under me or people who
Yeah,
are
yeah.
working with me, I make sure even they don't fall prey to such
Mhm.
things. You know, I make sure that even they are to quite an extent protected from these, you know.
बट ऐसा मतलब ऐसा भी है कि सिर्फ सिंगर
हाँ.
ये स्कैम में नहीं है,
Musicians भी musicians भी बहुत है. See,
but it's okay, fine.
it's a different perspective, you know.
Right,
If
वही.
you can, everybody can keep a certain percentage, you know.
हाँ.
But what happens is sometimes I've worked with certain musicians who would, if you're keeping a 20% and paying me 80%, I understand. But I had worked with musicians who keep 80% and pay me 20%.
Correct.
So I would be like, what the fuck is happening, you know? So it takes you a long time to realize that you've actually been scammed, because maybe that person is your friend.
Yeah,
You know, he's your close friend, he's your roommate, he's someone's brother, and you don't realize it.
Correct.
And then the day you realize it, you start calculating कि यार
हाँ
मैंने तो
यार.
इतने साल काम किए इसके साथ,
Yeah.
मतलब कितना पैसा गया मेरा.
हाँ.
बाप रे, right,
So-
हाँ.
so
होता
yeah.
है, definitely.
मुझे भी बस एक नाम नहीं लेना है, मगर ऐसा एक बार हुआ था, काम किया था,
नहीं, नाम ले
पर
लो, यही
नाम
तो प्लेटफॉर्म है नाम लेने
भाई
का.
प्रोड्यूस किया गाना और नाम है कोई राहुल, मुझे पता नहीं राहुल कौन है.
अभी 10 राहुल ये वीडियो देखेंगे
अभी
और
देखेंगे.
बोलेंगे मेरे बारे में क्यों बोला?
मेरा नाम लिया तूने.
तुम पूछो राहुल कौन है, मैं तो पूरा एक्साइटेड था, मेरी बहन को दिखा रहा था, भाई मैंने गाना बनाया, यूट्यूब में रिलीज है, राहुल प्रोग्रामर. खतरनाक है.
एनी चैलेंजेस ऑन स्टेज, कभी ऐसा हो कि अरे भाई ये बहुत डेंजर था, बट ठीक है, हो गया, निकल गया, ओके था.
ऑफ कोर्स, वो तो बहुत बार होता है. एवरी शो इज वेरी चैलेंजिंग इफ योर टेक इज नॉट सॉर्टेड, or if something is wrong, you know. But that's the reason why, like earlier, I used to rely on one laptop, and many times, you know, if the stage is not built well, everything is shaking, you know,
हाँ,
when the
बिल्कुल.
dancers are there,
भाई,
and
फट जाएगी
your
ना.
power supply is shaking, everything.
हाँ.
So I've had shows where suddenly, you know, the power supply would just like trip. Someone would trip
shucks.
on the wire. Wedding shows में, you know, कोई
हाँ, ये वो
uncle
ज़्यादा
आ
ही
गया,
होता है,
cut,
आ
खत्म.
गया.
And because the playback is running the tracks and that kind of stuff, if it stops, suddenly everything stops
Stop,
also.
हाँ,
you know.
right,
It's not like a guitar, एक गिटार बंद हुआ, ठीक है, बाकी लोग प्ले कर
पूरा
रहे हैं,
blank
तो सब
silent
समझ में आता है.
सब बंद होता है. So
अभी
then,
खाली ऑडियंस
yeah.
रहेगी
हाँ.
वैसा.
so I've switched to a redundant setup now. I run multiple laptops.
Oh, okay.
Most of the time 2, sometimes even more, depending on what the job is, and that eliminates a lot of it. But also, it is pretty stressful. The bigger the shows you do,
Correct.
the bigger the
More
artists
stress,
are, the
हाँ.
stress is of course extremely high, because many times what happens in rehearsal doesn't always happen in the show.
Right.
You know, many times in the flow of the moment,
Yeah.
you tend to deviate. You know, the artists take a different segment of the song. You know, and then you have to on the spot compromise for that. Especially in a show which is running on time code, where everything is on sync and everything is locked to a certain duration, and then this happens, then you need to mentally prepare what you're going to do.
Correct.
क्या करने वाले हो, क्या ट्रिगर करोगे, क्या नहीं ट्रिगर करोगे.
कितना भी प्रिपेयर्ड हो, थोड़ा नर्वस तो होना ही है.
नर्वस होता हूँ, ऑफ कोर्स नर्वस
स्टेज
होता
के बीच
हूँ.
में भी बैक स्टेज
वेरी वेरी नर्वस. आई वुड से अभी तो आदत हो गया है, so अभी कम नर्वस है. स्टार्टिंग
हाँ.
डेज पे तो बहुत नर्वस होता था मैं.
Right.
अभी भी बड़ा बड़ा शोज अगर होता है, you know,
Yeah.
extremely big shows, the pressure is there. Not nervous, but pressure is always
Pressure
there. You
है.
know, Virat Kohli can play कितना भी
Yeah.
cricket
हाँ,
with
right,
everyone.
Correct. No
But
pressure
even
तो-
when he's playing with Afghanistan, the pressure is still there. He
Yeah.
can't get out on a 0 even
हाँ,
against Afghanistan.
Correct.
Right.
He
Right.
can't.
True.
So that pressure is always there on anyone and everyone who are working at the highest level.
Correct.
That pressure is not going to go, honestly.
Yeah.
And that's a part of the job. So I enjoy it. Some days I struggle also.
Yeah.
But most of the days are good, I would say. You know, some days things don't go right, you know, technical wise.
चिल है,
or
मगर उनका
otherwise.
पोस्ट भी मैं देख रहा था, आराम से चिल जाने का, होटल का
मस्त,
स्टे,
हाँ.
स्विमिंग पूल शायद वो भी सब कर.
Yeah, I chill.
pooling.
I'm a chiller, I think.
या आराम से
If
फिर
that's a
म्यूजिक
word.
करना, वापस आना, फिर ट्रैवल
Yeah,
करना,
yeah,
फिर
yeah.
दूसरा.
See, the thing is, when you're, I mean, you have to work doubly hard, you know, than, like, I'm not the best keyboard player. So I have to work double hard than other keyboard players so that
Right.
I still remain in the game, you know.
Right.
Correct.
So same way, if you're not the best, but you want to work with the best, you have to work double hard. You have to network double hard.
Correct.
You know, everything has to be at you have to focus like 10 times more than you always would. So most of the time for the last 10 years I was extremely, I would say, I would work almost 18 to 20 hours a day.
Nice. That's great.
Music wise, I used to work with
crazy.
almost any and every artist. You know, there was a time when 2016-17 I used to do 20 to 25 shows a month.
मंथ
Wow.
है नहीं ब्रेक,
At,
एक दिन
at
भी नहीं.
all budgets with every artist.
Right.
So that is what made me learn also a lot.
Yeah.
And more importantly, that made me do the mistakes back then, which I learned ki okay, this happened on this show was because
अब
of
next
this.
नहीं होना चाहिए.
Because there are so many things, especially in playback, Ableton wise.
Yeah.
जब तक वो शो में गलती नहीं होता ना, पता नहीं चलता कि अरे ये भी हो
ये
सकता
भी
है
हो
गलत.
सकता है, right,
क्योंकि
right,
घर पे सब सही चलता है
हाँ.
honestly. Many times my session I run it at home,
मस्त
आज
है.
and I'm
महाराज
like
तोड़ूंगा.
सब superb चल रहा है, एकदम
हाँ.
perfect,
आज-
everything's working fine.
हाँ.
And then something or the other triggers on stage.
कुछ
And
ना
then
कुछ
कुछ ना
गड़बड़
कुछ गड़बड़ होता है.
होना ही
Then you wonder कि साला
बाप
ये
रे.
भी होता है, you know. So that has happened
Learning
all in the
process.
past.
हाँ,
Right.
learn.
Now very rare,
Hmm.
very rare. You know, sometimes I've had 1 or 2 times where the software is glitched.
Okay.
It's extremely rare, but still that still happens sometimes.
Right.
You know, on such a big stage and suddenly there's a
हाँ
glitch.
यार, oh shucks.
And so I record my shows on the GoPro. So then I go and see the footage कि यार ये
हाँ,
कैसे
इधर क्या
हो
हुआ?
गया,
हाँ.
मैंने तो कुछ गलत नहीं किया.
किया नहीं.
And then you realize that sometimes, you know, there are some bugs also in the software. Then you have to write an email to Ableton that listen.
Hmm.
There's a bug, I just discovered it. So
आपके ऊपर
it's
कुछ
crazy.
ब्लैक मैजिक तो नहीं हो रहा है ना?
Black magic?
हाँ, क्योंकि घर पे सब सही चल रहा है, स्टेज में कुछ कोई आके कर रहा है.
नहीं वैसा नहीं
बट
होता.
आई थिंक पहले होता होगा.
पहले
It's
होता
like
था.
पहले
Yeah,
का
yeah,
experience
पहले होता था वो.
definitely.
Yeah.
Now it's very rare. And now I think technology wise also the softwares have also become so
Right,
advanced.
right.
And when you're working with the biggest artists, even though the
Yeah.
pressure is there, there's a reason why they've selected.
Yeah, definitely.
So-
That's why
So that's
like
so.
Neha Kakkar
you
and
have
all these
to-
big
हाँ,
artists.
आतिफ असलम भाई,
Yeah.
हम लोग सब फैंस
Yeah, I
हैं,
work
पूरा
with Atif
इंडिया.
also. I
India.
love working with Atif.
कैसा
है
कैसा
ना?
था उसका एक्सपीरियंस? कैसा
Very
you
good.
entered and
He's
कैसा?
extremely Atif is extremely good
Hmm.
live. He's extremely great as a live performer.
Wow.
He will hold the audience like in his grasp,
Wow.
and his songs are all hits.
Okay. Yes, yes.
And
वो
his
तो
voice texture, if you hear his live voice texture,
Yes,
the way he projects his voice, it is so good.
and
I love working with
ये
Atif.
मतलब हम लोगों को पता है एज अ म्यूजिशियन वी ट्रैवल बट आतिफ असलम जैसे काफ़ी पाकिस्तानी आर्टिस्ट वो इंडियन म्यूजिशियन के साथ ट्रैवल करते हैं.
Correct, correct.
हाँ, ये सब प्रॉब्लम होने के बाद भी
भी
थे
हाँ,
ना.
they are
होता है.
traveling
I've had-
because they-
I've-
उनका और इसका मैं पाकिस्तानी
हाँ, हाँ,
सिंगर हूँ और ये कीबोर्डिस्ट है. इफ आई लव इसका
Correct,
प्लेइंग
correct.
सो मैं
Wow.
क्यों इसको नहीं बुलाऊं?
Correct.
I've had issues where in my
Yeah.
DMs I've had people
हाँ.
send some
Hmm.
hate messages, you know. And I had a couple of artists also from India who were like, "Why are you working with Pakistani artists and stuff?"
Yeah.
But I had a response to them. I said, I've met his entire band. I've toured with them. They are some of the nicest human beings I've
Wow,
met.
that's
His
great.
entire band when I toured in 2018, amazing guys. Some of them had origins in India, in Mangalore,
Oh.
in Delhi. Like because after the partition
Wow.
is when they,
हाँ,
you
वो
know, in that
correct,
chaos,
shift होना
they
पड़ा,
had
right.
पहले
shifted.
का.
There were Catholic guys in his band,
Oh,
and I met them. So that whole politics part of it, you know, Pakistan. I
सब
think
हट गया.
वो कभी मुझे फील ही नहीं हुआ वहाँ पे.
Wow, that's
They never made me feel like I'm an outsider, and they are incredibly good musicians.
right, right.
Yeah.
And
His guitar player, his drummer, you know, amazing guys, very good musicians.
Even
and-
अभी का लाइनअप शायद जेके.
Now JK is, yeah,
doing
स्टीव
sound.
केरला से कीबोर्ड
correct,
प्लेयर.
correct.
Right.
Steve
या,
joined.
तो अभी भी ट्रैवल
later.
कर रहे हो
Correct.
लोग हर जगह.
So
सही है.
I will say it's one of the very good bands
Yeah.
and very good
Correct.
live acts that you can watch. Atif Aslam is.
पर हम सेम कर
extremely
सकते हैं
great.
वैसा, मगर हमें अगर पाकिस्तानी आर्टिस्ट म्यूजिशियन अच्छा
But,
लगा.
No, there are a lot of
अपने-
Right.
Pakistani
हाँ.
artists who are having
अभी भी
amazing
है,
bands. Yeah, yeah,
मगर
yeah,
बाहर है.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
यहाँ पे
Some
नहीं
of
करते.
Rahat Fateh Ali Khan ji's musicians, some of them are Indian. I
हाँ,
think that-
yes.
yeah,
I think Anil Bhai also is traveling
is
for us
there.
and all.
I think even Tausif was mixing.
Tausif,
right?
yes,
Yeah.
yes. Tausif
So
Bhai also is mixing.
Nice.
yeah, and there is no. I don't see any issue in working with
भाई,
any artist
right.
around the world.
मुझे
You know,
भी ऐसे
honestly.
लगता है कि एज अ म्यूजिशियन
Yeah.
मतलब ये बॉन्डिंग
तो religion,
See,
caste,
politics
yeah.
politics wise we understand whatever जो भी है, but on a
Yeah.
music level
हाँ, right.
where we interact with them on stage, and if you go out of India and you see US, you have
Yeah.
Indian, Pakistani, Bangladeshi, all audience attending a Arijit show, attending a
हाँ,
Atif show,
Right,
yes,
attending a
correct.
Diljit show.
राइट राइट
So everyone is united there. You
Right.
never see any kind of issues there. You know?
Right, right.
So why on stage? Why would musicians then be like, नहीं मैं इसके साथ नहीं,
Hmm.
उसके साथ नहीं करूँगा? You know?
Correct.
For me, it was a great experience working with.
बोलते हैं ना
Atif.
रिलीजन नहीं है, कास्ट नहीं है म्यूजिक के लिए.
Correct.
हाँ वही है.
वैसे हो
और,
गया.
Yeah, yeah,
मतलब मुझे तो
absolutely.
वही लगता है कि बिकॉज यू आर अ म्यूजिशियन.
या
ठीक है, अभी स्टेज पे 5 लोग खड़े हैं.
हाँ हाँ.
मेरे को कैसे समझेगा कि ये पाकिस्तानी है ये या इंडियन है?
करेक्ट करेक्ट.
तो वो डिफरेंस मतलब
Yeah,
मुझे
yeah, no,
मुझे नहीं लगता
you
कि
can't.
उतना रिस्पेक्ट रखना चाहिए.
Yeah.
क्योंकि वो जो प्रॉब्लम है मैं मतलब डिस्कस नहीं करना चाह रहा, वो प्रॉब्लम इज डिफरेंट
Yeah.
एंड अगर हम लोग भाई है तो वो रिलेशन वहीं
100%
पे
वो
रहना
तो होना
चाहिए.
ही चाहिए, वो तो. एंड आई जज पीपल बाय देयर नेचर, not by their nationality or by their color or
Right,
religion
right,
or
right, definitely.
my friends, if you see my friend circle, and even the bands that I've
Yeah,
worked in,
yeah.
people from all religions
Right, right.
are there, you know.
Wow.
We've got Muslims, Christians, Gujaratis, Maharashtrians, everyone, and we
Everyone.
tour together almost every day. It's like,
Wow.
so I personally have no issues in that
Right.
aspect. So I told the artists, you know, you guys shouldn't have an
Yeah,
issue.
yeah.
If I am working, so you
Correct.
cannot call me if you guys don't want.
Right, right.
But you can't
I'm
tell me
open.
not to work with another artist. So
Wow, that's great. And अभी क्या है कि मतलब what you think कि as a musician what you feel कि मुझे अभी ये प्लेटफॉर्म तक जाना है या मुझे अभी ये करना है, अभी क्या what is a procedure जो चल रहा है या करने वाले हो या what is there?
मैं एक्चुअली कोचेला जाने के बाद एंड आई सॉ द वर्क एथिक्स एंड द वर्क एटमॉस्फेयर देयर, स्पेशली फ्रॉम द प्लेबैक एबल्टन पर्सपेक्टिव. I realized कि बॉस सीखने को तो बहुत है, because those guys are on some other level
Right.
in terms of playback. The gear that they have, that gear
yeah,
itself is
yeah.
not accessible here. So we have no idea only
Right,
of what they are doing because we don't know what's that gear, you know. So my long-term goal is to go there and learn the things that they are doing
Wow, that's
and work there for a bit and then come and use all of that here
here also in
because
India.
I think the top artists in India should be technically
Right.
on every aspect on par
Right,
as much as possible with these guys, you know. That truly puts India on a global map. So I want to go and do that. So I have kept some goals ki, you know, kuch saalon mein I'll go learn, you know, and work there for a bit. So let's see how that works.
यूजुअली क्या होता है वहाँ गए तो फिर गए,
हाँ
उनका
वैसा
उल्टा है, मतलब विजन.
But it is not so easy also to go there. वहाँ
Yeah.
rent भी महीने का, if I move to LA,
Yeah.
Los Angeles, it's even if I stay in a one room, it's a $2,000 rent. So साल का मेरा $25 rent, $25,000 rent उधर ही हो गया, you know. So that's a big amount. It's almost 20 lakhs or so.
Right.
That
आपको तो अभी कोई घर भी दे देगा वहाँ पे.
हाँ अभी तो मेरे को तो लग रहा है अंदर उसका
ये
गोल
just
अंदर
एक
चल रहा
4
होगा.
BHK
अभी नहीं
छोटा
बताऊंगा
सा
मैं, बाद में बताऊंगा.
और एक
जब तू
छोटा
मेरे को
फैन है.
नेक्स्ट पॉडकास्ट में बोलेगा
वैसा-
तब मैं बताऊंगा मेरा घर वहाँ पे है, तेरे को पता ही नहीं है.
वैसा लगता है, but वैसा कुछ भी नहीं है. I have lot of my engineering friends and you know, but once you go there, it's a whole different industry. My biggest fear is that I have to start from scratch.
Right.
From scratch.
यहाँ तो to some extent I can say कि हाँ, okay, I'm working with a good, I'm quite settled reasonably. But there I don't even know कि if I'll even get work.
Yeah,
So you have to go do that struggle, learn a lot. So I've started that learning process already to learn what they are doing. And then hopefully one day the day will come and I'll get a call to go there.
आज वार्तालाप पॉडकास्ट में मैनिफेस्ट
हो जाएगा.
Manifest
ये
हो
होना ही है
जाएगा.
मतलब. और नेक्स्ट पॉडकास्ट वहाँ करेंगे
Oh,
उनके
वहाँ
घर
पे.
में LA में.
LA में करेंगे हम लोग.
LA में
Yes,
करेंगे.
praise the Lord.
Praise the Lord, next 5 years.
But yeah, manifesting, definitely I'm manifesting that at the moment. So
होना ही है. Amen.
Definitely. And as a musician, as a keyboardist also, मैं musicians को बताना चाहता हूँ कि like whatever he's doing as a keyboardist और as a Ableton player, काफ़ी कम लोगों को पता है ये जॉब क्या है. राइट कि आई नो कि कुछ म्यूजिशियन एबल्टन यूज़ करते हैं तो काफ़ी म्यूजिशियन को ये सब बेसिक नॉलेज, ये बेसिक नहीं बोल सकते बट ये एडवांस नॉलेज नहीं है कि कैसे यूज़ करना है, कैसे नहीं यूज़ करना है, कैसे एबल्टन को चलाना है. आई थिंक मैंने जितना भी नाम सुना है एज अ एबल्टन प्लेयर, ही इज़ द गाय जिसका नाम टॉप पे आता है. मतलब अगर कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम ब्रो एक काम कर, तू क्लिंटन से बात कर, वो सॉर्ट करेगा. सो ऐसा अभी उसका मतलब मुझे लगता है उसका नाम हो चुका है. बट इट्स रियली गुड, बट इट्स रियली गुड क्योंकि एक चीज में प्रो होना लाइक नोबडी कैन लाइक ऐसा कोई नहीं है. मतलब मैंने तो नहीं देखा है अभी तक कि जो ये सब चीजें क्रॉस करके इतना उसको पता है एंड उसको मतलब स्टार्ट टू एंड तक उसको नॉलेज है. सो एज अ कीबोर्ड प्लेयर ऑल्सो मैं सब लोगों को सजेस्ट करूँगा कि जाके ये सब भी प्रोसीजर सीखो बिकॉज टेक्निकलिटी भी एक चीज़ होना ज़रूरी है. आई थिंक क्योंकि एज अ कीबोर्ड प्लेयर डेफिनेटली मैं कीबोर्ड बजा लूँगा, ये सब चीज़ें कर लूँगा, ये हो जाएगा. बट आगे के लिए भी यू हैव टू बी रेडी. अभी ये ही इज़ प्लेइंग लॉट्स ऑफ सेट्स. आई थिंक अदनान सामी,
Yeah.
नेहा कक्कर, दिलजीत दोसांझ, वहाँ पे कीबोर्ड भी प्ले करना है एंड यू हैव टू हैंडल दैट
Handle that as well. Yeah.
एबल्टन पार्ट ऑल्सो.
Correct.
तो यू हैव टू ट्रिगर एवरीथिंग ऑन अ टाइम. वो उतने ही टाइम पे
बहुत
बजना
correct,
चाहिए, वो
correct.
पीछे नहीं जाना चाहिए, आगे
Yeah.
नहीं जाना चाहिए, वो डॉट टू डॉट चलना चाहिए. तो एज अ कीबोर्डिस्ट जो भी ये लोग देख रहे हैं, तो मुझे तो वो बोलना है कि ये चीज़ भी आप सीखना ज़रूरी है. बिकॉज अभी एज अ म्यूजिशियन, एज अ
Yeah.
कीबोर्डिस्ट, सब लोग एक एक्सपेक्ट करते कि ये कीबोर्डिस्ट को, अच्छा यू आर एबल्टन प्लेयर विद
Correct.
यू प्ले
Everyone.
कीबोर्ड,
Yeah.
तो तभी उसको बुलाते हैं.
हाँ,
ऐसा
Correct.
हो रहा है.
अच्छा,
ऐसा हो
वैसा
रहा है.
एक
हाँ,
demand
हाँ,
वैसा
definitely अभी
level
हो
में.
रहा है. तभी लोग उसको अप्रोच कर रहे हैं कि अच्छा हाँ, देन यू कैन कम विथ माय सेट, बिकॉज उसके पास सेट रेडी है.
रेडी है
उसको चाहिए कि वो बंदा ट्रिगर करे और मेरे साथ बजाए.
already.
सो ऐसे काफी सारे म्यूजिशियंस जिनको नहीं पता है एबल्टन, तो मैं बोलता हूँ कि ब्रो प्लीज
Yeah.
करना
You have to.
दिस
you-
गाय.
Yeah.
डेफिनेटली.
Yeah. You
लग
have
रहा है
to
एबल्टन ही
learn.
आपको अभी एक घर देने वाले हैं. ना प्रमोट कर देना
नहीं, but
एबल्टन
To be honest, I think now 100% of my income only comes from Ableton.
Ableton
मुझे
ना?
सिर्फ कीबोर्ड, मैं एक्चुअली सिर्फ कीबोर्ड प्लेइंग वाला शोज भी
हाँ,
बहुत
हाँ.
कम आते
कम
भी
है,
है,
हाँ.
और मैं लेता भी कम हूँ. Very rare, but has to be with Ableton. And I've stopped working with bands where they are not on click.
हाँ,
तो
बस.
The bare minimum
Yes.
requirement is that you have to be on click and on
Click.
in-ears.
Yeah.
In-ears नहीं है तो भी मैं नहीं आता हूँ, click भी नहीं है तो भी मैं नहीं आता हूँ, because it's a different feeling. I mean, not that it's wrong or everyone has their own style, but that is what I started doing,
Correct.
with the monitor mixes, wedge monitor mixes and no click and अरे तूने
IMs
slow
में कुछ
किया,
नहीं.
अरे इसने slow
Correct.
किया, that all those things. मैंने तो सही स्टार्ट किया,
Correct.
all
अभी और वैसा भी ये मॉनिटर्स और ये सब चीज़ें थोड़ा कम होना चाहिए, बिकॉज रिसेंटली यू नो दैट अलका जी का
oh yeah, I
post
read
आया
about
था,
that, yeah.
उनका
Earring वाला?
हाँ earring वाला,
हाँ.
उनको
I read about that, yeah.
थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है.
I think
because ऑफ वेजेस, क्योंकि वो मतलब वो टाइम से
हाँ, हाँ,
90s
yeah.
के पहले से आई थिंक वो
yeah, she's been at least 25 to 30 years
लेजेंडरी सिंगर.
in the industry.
Yeah.
That's
वेजेस से हो रहा है वो
that's a
monitor
long
से.
time.
हाँ, बिकॉज दे आर यूजिंग वेजेस.
क्योंकि रिसेंटली मैं सुना इंडिया से भी हो रहा है.
इंडिया से भी.
See,
हाँ,
India's
that's
are
why
एकदम
like-
loud. If you
बहुत सारा.
anything
if
that
you-
is loud, see
Yeah.
the issue is not the wedge or the thing. The issue is the loudness.
Loudness
If you
है.
keep any audio device loud in your ears over extended period of time, it is going to damage your your
Right,
your
correct.
hearing loss, certain frequencies, for sure. Like, so I always even in your mix wise, I've always noticed people always drums बढ़ाओ, guitar बढ़ाओ, bass
हाँ.
बढ़ाओ.
Hmm.
I would rather say कि बाकी सब elements कम कर
कर.
और अपना pack बढ़ा दो थोड़ा.
हाँ.
you will-
सुनाई
Your mix
देगा.
will also not clip and you won't be going
Yeah,
loud,
yeah.
loud. How loud are you going to go?
Right.
So
अपकमिंग म्यूजिशियंस के लिए क्या है जो किसको म्यूजिक सीखना है? अभी समझो मेरा उम्र है कुछ 15 रहेगा, मैं देख रहा हूँ आपका वीडियो सब, तो क्या चीज़ में गलती नहीं करना है? ऐसा नहीं कि पहले नॉट लेके बैठ गया, ऐसे भी मेरे फ्रेंड्स लोग हैं, नॉट लेके बैठ गया मगर जस्ट सीखने के लिए जा रहा है.
correct. See,
क्योंकि
मेरा
सब है.
मेरा एक एडवाइस है. Anyone who is in school, college, wanting to be a musician,
Yeah.
obviously you look up to people.
हाँ.
You look up to the lifestyle. More people get attracted to the lifestyle
You're right.
than
Yes.
to the music, because they see the first thing they see that money है, travel है,
लग्जरी लाइफ डेली
luxury है,
हाँ.
so people get attracted towards that first. But you don't realize
Fame मिल रहा है.
it is fame भी मिल रहा है
हाँ.
to an extent,
Yeah.
but you don't realize that it comes at the price of your health, at the price of you can't just jump into this field. You have to have a stable. First of all, I would always say you have to complete your education until your post graduation
बेस्ट
in whatever field you're doing, be it
Yeah,
finance,
yeah.
be it engineering, medical. Once
एजुकेशन
you do
में.
that, education is first. I have so many musicians, so many. Every time I open Instagram,
Yeah.
sir, मेरा स्कूल खत्म हो गया, मुझे बॉलीवुड में आना है.
अच्छा जस्ट स्कूल ही हुआ है, मतलब 15
just-
साल
just,
16.
yeah.
हाँ,
and-
definitely होता होगा.
And since the start, since
Yeah.
2014, I've been telling them मत आओ, पहला पढ़ाई खत्म करो.
हाँ,
There's no
उसके बाद
guarantee.
yes.
This is not an
सही है,
industry.
एकदम रियल
This
थिंग
is
है यार.
yeah, because after completing my engineering, I still
Yeah.
now I did a diploma in finance. I have a side business,
Wow,
finance related. I'll come to that later. But
Yeah.
after doing all of that,
Hmm.
my music worked. I was lucky. I met the right people at the right time.
Hmm.
I was very lucky. I met them, and they have pushed me
Yeah.
and then I had to push myself.
Correct.
But to get that initial push is a whole different
yeah.
thing, you
True,
know.
true,
It's
true.
you can be the best cricketer in your gully, पर एक बार
Hmm.
स्टेडियम में डाल दे, वो स्टेडियम में
खत्म।
पहुंचने के लिए ही वो
लगेगा,
Correct.
जब तक कोई रेफरेंस नहीं है,
नहीं
जब तक
उसका।
you know you don't have someone to put you in that stadium in the first place, you will not even be seen.
Right.
You know, I know so many good musicians,
Hmm.
you know, who are so good, but nobody knows about them.
Right.
हाँ,
You know,
वो भी
सही
है.
बोला,
they are
सही
they are
बोला।
just sitting at home
Yeah.
because they don't know whom to approach.
Hmm.
They don't know how to approach.
Hmm.
They don't know where to approach them. You know, you meet a musician suddenly somewhere at a show, he's going to be extremely busy. He might not give you that attention. You need to take the time out, talk to them, and everyone has to be open also to that.
Yeah.
To be honest, but I would always say first education खत्म करो, at least till post graduation. आज के टाइम तुम डिग्री भी लोगे ग्रेजुएशन का तो भी इतना पैसा नहीं कमा पाओगे. You have to do your masters, and only then people will be like, भाई इतना तो कर ले तो म्यूजिक में क्यों आऊँ मैं.
हाँ,
तो वो तो
right.
बहुत वो तो सही है, because म्यूजिक में आने के बाद तुम्हें क्या लग रहा है, you know, somebody is sitting to give you a job, it's not going to work that way.
Yeah.
म्यूजिक में आने के बाद first you will meet all these sharks who will first try to scam
Right,
you in
हाँ.
some way or the
Right.
other, and if you're lucky to survive post that phase, then there are so many artists, but there is so little work, you know.
Right.
Yeah.
So many artists and so little work because there are so many people who come.
Right.
There are people from all over India who come to Bombay, and there's only so much of jobs that are there. How do you expect to cut through it? You know,
Right.
just being good doesn't work.
Yeah.
Just being good doesn't work. Just being a good musician doesn't work. You have to look good. You have to speak well.
Hmm.
You have to be able to travel that much. You know,
Right.
I've seen people who like, भाई मेरे से नहीं होगा इतना travel and all. So,
अच्छा.
हाँ होता है.
So-
Definitely.
because you are half the time, see, the 300 days, 365 days a year.
Yeah.
If you're doing say 100 shows a year, you're
Hmm.
traveling. If you catch roughly, you're traveling 150 to 200 days a year. You know,
You're right.
with the travel.
Yeah.
So when you're traveling for half the year, you have to be. You can't get homesick and be like, अरे नहीं यार मुझे घर जाना है. You know?
Hmm.
More often than not, if you're on big tours, you're out for 2-3 months at a time. So I would always recommend everyone to first complete their education,
Hmm.
do a proper job, and on the side try, you know, musically. Yeah, that is what I was doing. I was working at Fatados part time,
Wow, सही है.
and till my music didn't click, till Jonita didn't message me, and till I didn't get working with her and then grow, I never left that job.
Hmm.
Finally when I realized कि ठीक है अभी ना मुझे महीने का अच्छा खासा shows आ रहा है कि I don't need to, you know, stand in a train and go to this job. That's when I quit that job. Until then, my daily routine was go to college in the morning,
Yeah.
study till 3 p.m, take a train, go to Bandra, teach till 10 p.m, come home,
Wow.
sleep, study, sleep, and then again do this. So this
Repeat
is what I
होगा.
did for 4 years.
बाप रे.
And the 3 years of that was my engineering life. And
खतरनाक.
after doing all of that, it took me still a good 1 year to get a good job in Bollywood. Like
You're right.
until Junita messaged me, I was just meeting people
Yeah.
and talking to them. Half of them would not respond because clearly maybe they are getting a lot of messages. So I don't know how it used to work back then, but or maybe people are not open to
Yeah.
you know,
Right.
responding. Who will open?
Yeah. Already
ऐसा
है
भी
एक
होता है.
set है
Yeah.
सब चल रहा है.
So that being said, all of that happened, and then finally 2014 से मेरा गाड़ी actually थोड़ा बहुत चालू हुआ.
Take off.
Yeah, take off हुआ. So the struggle, you have to be prepared to put in struggle. And for me, I was lucky. At least I have a family in Bombay. तो मेरा घर rent वो सब
हाँ,
tension
वही तो
नहीं
है
था.
main बाहर
But
से
now
जो आ रहा
imagine
है.
you're someone who has not even completed your education.
Right.
You have come from whichever part of the country, you know, to
Yeah,
Bombay to
yeah.
work. You have to pay rent.
Right.
You have to have all other expenses covered. And Bombay is not a cheap city to
Correct,
live in.
correct.
And after that, you have to go meet network people. And then you don't have a guarantee that you'll even get a job.
Right. Right.
एंड यू नो 4 महीने तो ऑफ सीजन में ही निकल जाता है. बारिश एक बार चालू हो
चालू
गया,
हो गया, आराम
ऑफ
से
सीजन
घर.
सब घर पे. सो यू हैव 8 months टू गेट वर्क इन बॉलीवुड.
हम्म.
फ्रॉम दोज 8
और
months,
वो 8 months में ऐसा भी है
Yeah.
कि यू हैव वेरी लेस आर्टिस्ट जिसके बैंड ऑलरेडी बने हुए
बने हुए हैं, yeah.
मतलब वो चांस है कि अगर
Chance.
मिल
It's
गया
very tough.
किसी के साथ
मिल
बजाने
गया
का
ना तो लक है,
luck है, वो
कनेक्शन
मिल
हो
गया.
गया तो हो गया.
या
वही है.
so you have to study, man. Like I can't stress enough
Right.
on this.
Yeah.
I always tell everybody is like,
यही
भाई
मैं
तुम
बोला ना
इतना
डैनी, ये
travel-
देखो स्ट्रेस मत
Yeah.
ले, लेके आ यहाँ पे देखो.
नाइस नाइस
Yeah.
स्ट्रेस लेने
See,
का.
unless your parents are like, बेटा, you know, ये लो 5 करोड़, तुम्हें
हाँ.
जिंदगी में जो करना है तुम करो, we will support you. ये लो, ये घर है तुम्हारे नाम पे, तुम्हें जो करना है, then you can come and take all these risks.
राइट.
अगर तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स ने बोला पागल हो गया है, तुम निकल रहे हो और
Yeah.
तुम घर छोड़ के गए आए हो म्यूजिक करने, घर से भी सपोर्ट नहीं है, घर ही नहीं है तुम्हारा बॉम्बे में, तुम किसी के साथ शेयरिंग, 4 लोग शेयरिंग करके रह रहे हो, कैसे भी करके रेंट भर रहे हो. एंड आई हैव सीन दीज म्यूजिशियंस बिकॉज आई हैव वर्कड विद सो मेनी म्यूजिशियंस. आई हैव
बाप रे.
in my I have a team of musicians whom I myself need as a substitute,
Yeah,
you know.
yeah.
And I always remember my friend Sankalp Srivastava who came
Yes,
from Allahabad. First time he messaged me, I told him भाई मत आओ इधर, बहुत मुश्किल है इधर, मेरे को ही काम नहीं मिल रहा है. मैं this is 2015 or something, you know.
अच्छा.
And one day suddenly he lands up, he's like मैं आ गया हूँ. So then I met him and then I was like ठीक है, you know, कुछ काम होगा तो
Yeah,
मैं बताता
बताइए.
हूँ. And then I needed work. I mean, I needed a substitute.
हाँ,
Then I
हाँ.
got him, and still we are working together. He's with me
Yes.
on the
Wow.
Diljit tour as well. I
क्या
got him
बात
on
है?
that.
क्या play करते
So
हैं?
He's
he
a
plays the
keyboardist,
keyboard.
very good
Yeah.
keyboardist, yes.
So that's even Kushal Mangal
हाँ,
for that
Kushal
matter.
Mangal.
He also he used to learn in the same academy that I used to learn from. I lived in the same building, so I met him,
Okay.
and I told him the same thing: finish your education,
Yeah.
and you know, then we'll work together. And we work together. Me and Kushal also have worked together a lot, and his parents are also very supportive.
Yes.
Yeah. So I was always telling Sankalp कि भाई बॉम्बे में तो बहुत मुश्किल है, मत आओ.
हाँ,
And
हाँ,
he
हाँ.
came and now he's made it. But he's
Yeah.
lucky.
Yeah,
You know,
that's
lucky.
you meet the right people, you're lucky. You know, if I would have met someone different, maybe my story would have been, if I would have met some negative guy in my starting days, I would have
कहीं ना
been
कहीं stuck हो जाना
completely.
पड़ता था.
Yeah. So
Right.
I've had very good people who've helped me. I should name some of them.
Please,
Murli,
please.
Yes, yes.
Murli,
अरे
the sound
अन्ना is-
engineer, Praveen
अन्ना
Murlidhar.
is amazing.
I would say also Bosco Fernandez. He plays keyboards with Arman Malik. He's helped me a lot.
Okay.
I've had a lot of other friends, you know, my guitar player friends, Sauraj, Mihir. So
Wow.
these guys also have helped me a lot. Sauraj Patil, he's now moved to Boston.
Yes.
So when you have people who help you,
Yeah.
you know, no matter what, it takes you a long way ahead, you know.
Great. I think आप बहुत grateful भी हो.
Yeah, I'm very grateful.
Starting.
I'm very grateful because ये सब मुझे दिया नहीं गया है, you know.
Yeah.
ये सब मुझे कमाना पड़ा है.
Hmm.
I had to trust, people had to trust in me, and obviously I failed a lot of people, lot of times, you know.
Yeah.
Every show you go, कभी कभी ऐसा होता है किसी ने भेजा और तुमने अच्छा भी नहीं किया हो,
हाँ.
and many times you go, you nail it, and then be like भाई तुम ही आ जाओ, and then you have to say नहीं मैं नहीं आऊँगा,
नहीं.
वो ही आएगा,
Right.
you know. So all of that is also there. So that being said, coming back to your question,
Yeah.
कोई भी मुझे एडवाइस पूछता है, मैं फर्स्ट उनको वही पूछता हूँ कि तुमने
हाँ.
पढ़ाई कितना किया है.
Hmm.
हाँ.
Once I know कि okay, you have studied this much, you have a backup, then take a risk. 2 years try it.
Hmm.
1-2 साल अगर fail हुए, you can always
Yeah.
go and do a job, or you
Right.
can do a side job and then keep trying this, you know. I used to work with this drummer Hamza Kazi.
हाँ.
He used to always work. He was working with I think Asa Abloy that time, and he used to tour with us also, and we were
Right.
touring like properly
Okay.
with Janita, and he was always doing a day job, and I used to always wonder यार ये day job क्यों कर रहा है?
Yeah.
But then I realized in COVID that he was the only smart guy who was doing the who was doing the right. We were all
Great.
making money,
Right.
spending money,
Right.
and enjoying life,
Yeah.
chilling, no tension. हम लोग जाते थे फ्लाइट में बैठते थे, you know,
हाँ.
hotel. We would reach must, you know, 5-star hotels.
Correct.
You know, mutton biryani खाओ, ऐश करो,
yeah.
play a show, enjoy with your friends,
Yeah.
party and come back. That whole concept of thinking long term wasn't existing.
Right.
Maybe we were young, whatever, but nobody advised me also, to be
Yeah,
honest.
right,
Nobody
okay.
said that, look, you need to start
Hmm.
saving now.
Right.
You need to start doing all of this now, because you never know until when it lasts, you know.
Yeah.
Right,
सही बोल रहे
right,
अभी के musicians के लिए
Yeah,
जो
yeah.
अभी
अभी
भी
के
tour
music-
कर
right,
रहे
right,
हो.
Of course,
Definitely,
yaar, you
definitely.
see Virat Kohli or a Rohit Sharma, these guys
Yeah.
have come to the top, but to maintain that top position is so tough, because एक तुम गलती करो, एक बार तुम zero पे
हाँ,
out हो
हाँ,
जाओ,
हाँ.
2-3 गेम सूर्य कुमार यादव, you know, what are you going to do? People will keep telling you, bro, you're not doing well, out, not doing well, out, and you will be replaced eventually. You know, you have to be extremely consistent, and at least, you know, deliver to a certain standard to survive in this industry.
Right.
वरना बहुत मुश्किल है, you know, and you need to make a lot of contacts, you need to have a lot of references, and that's the reason I formed the keyboard players group. We have a keyboard players group where I have added almost 100 of the good keyboard players from
okay.
Bollywood in this. So the entire industry practically is on that group.
yeah.
So everyone networks. There's a lot of information shared. I'm planning a meet also very soon for everyone. So that way,
Wow.
you know,
Wow.
it becomes easier for the newer guys who are coming
Hmm.
to meet.
Correct,
They
correct.
don't have to rely on a Facebook message. ये मेरा मैसेज देखेगा कि नहीं.
हाँ,
उधर
करके
आओ,
रहेगा.
सब लोग आ
मिलो,
जाएंगे,
discuss
मिलो,
करो.
बात करो,
Right.
डिस्कस करो. You never know who will take you where, you know.
Yeah.
एक 10, you know, तुम 10 लोग को मिलो,
हाँ.
उसमें से एक बंदा भी ना तुम्हारा लाइफ बना सकता है. 9 लोग तो तुम्हें भाव भी ना दे.
Right.
वो
ऐसा भी
एक
हो
बंदा
सकता
है.
एक बंदा
Yeah,
ढूंढने
true,
के लिए है
true,
ना,
true, correct.
तुम्हें 100 लोग से मिलना पड़ेगा. और ये मैंने
But
किया
वही-
हुआ है और
वही
मेरे
struggle
साथ
है.
हुआ भी है.
Yeah,
हाँ.
या
that's-
ये मेरे
वही
साथ हुआ
struggle
भी
है.
है. So I can tell you from experience, to meet the right person now you have to meet 99 wrong people
Hmm.
or 99 people who don't give a fuck, you know what
Yeah. वो
who
एक
you are. So
काफी है.
एक बंदा काफी है.
Wow,
So
that's great.
that is my journey. So I would always I
Wow.
always help in whatever way I can to anyone. I meet everyone because if I can do something, then you know, it's the only way I can repay. I can't repay Murli or Rinku Rajput or someone because they are already way senior than me.
Right,
you know?
right.
The only way I can pay them back is by helping them in whatever way they need. You know, if I
right.
today need them for any show, they are the first
Yeah.
people I'm going to call.
Wow.
Right.
So that kind of stuff.
Wow,
वो
great.
एक जन काफी है बोला ना आपने, वैसा एक बंदी कभी आएगा?
हाँ.
एक बंदी.
वो फिर
वो
पूरा
question
चेंज कर
ऐसा
देगा,
अंदर
फिर
अंदर ही
game
जा
change
रहा है.
है.
ये क्वेश्चन
फिर
अंदर
हमेशा
अंदर
के
ही
लिए
जा
ये
रहा है.
क्वेश्चन का हाँ, एक बंदी जब आएंगी तो नया एपिसोड वापस
नया
उसको
episode
लेके
में
यहाँ बिठा
और
दूंगा.
मैं हाँ मैं
यहाँ
और मैं
बिठा
अपनी-
दूंगा एक बंदी को. या तब
तब तक
तो-
के लिए भी ये शांत है.
तब तक आपका फेस में जो
नहीं,
ग्लो
तब
है
तक
वो रहने
कैसा
दो.
बोल रहा है कि जैसा नया बंदी आने के लिए जब साइड में बिठाएगा,
हाँ.
हो सकता है वो बाहर से ना, तो यूएस.
हाँ, बाहर से
हो सकता है तुम लोग वहाँ आएंगे.
तुम लोग वही होने वाला है अभी.
नाइस.
आज का डेट सब लिख के रख रहा
Oh
हूँ
my
मैं.
लिख के
God.
रखो.
Manifesting, ये भी
हाँ,
manifesting
यही
कर ही
है.
लेते हैं.
वाओ.
But yeah. So
Nice. So we are coming
बढ़िया
towards
है. मजा आ गया.
end. So my question is like क्या है अभी आगे का plan out your, क्या चल रहा है, क्या projects है, क्या upcoming
अभी
scene है?
ट्रैवल कर रहे हो नेक्स्ट
yeah, I'm traveling in 10 days again. We are going. So Diljit's tour continues.
Okay.
हाँ,
So
okay,
we have Los Angeles and Toronto coming up,
Nice.
and then we have some shows in Europe, UK, and UAE.
Okay.
So that's all going to be announced very soon.
okay.
So that's in the upcoming. But apart from that, I also have my other business, which I'm doing, my side business. That
Hmm.
is my. So I gave my exams and stuff, and I got a license to be an investment advisor.
Oh, that's
So that is my side
Oh,
business.
nice.
I am handling close to 5 crores of client portfolio,
wow,
including
that's
my
nice.
own.
Crazy.
So
Good,
that's complete Indian equity market.
हाँ,
That's
okay,
stock
okay.
market based, mutual funds, stocks, direct
डॉलर
stocks.
चेंज होके अभी बिटकॉइन
Ah,
वो लेवल
नहीं,
पे
Bitcoin तो अलग हो गया cryptocurrencies,
अभी वो
but
level है.
but more often than not, it is related to the Indian stock
Good
market.
यार, मस्त
And-
मस्त है.
and
ये सब म्यूजिशियंस लोग देखना चाहिए एक्चुअली.
हाँ, but
Yeah,
chill,
yeah,
भाई
definitely,
क्या
yes,
क्या
you-
चल रहा है साथ में.
of course, and I have a lot of clients. Kushal is
Yes,
also
I
my
know him.
client.
Yeah.
Cliffy, the sound engineer Clifford, he's my client. So I've
Nice,
got
nice.
quite a few clients in the industry, and the goal is to make musicians independent to a point कि तुम्हारा जो पैसिव इनकम आ जाए,
हाँ,
मतलब
हाँ,
जो तुम्हारा इन्वेस्टमेंट से जो पैसा आ जाए,
Yeah.
वो काफी होना चाहिए तुम्हारा सर्वाइवल
survive
के लिए.
करने के लिए. Right, right.
मतलब
You're
यू
right.
शुडंट बी डिपेंडेंट कि यार कोविड आ गया 2 साल हम घर पे बैठे हैं,
हाँ,
शोज
हाँ,
नहीं
हाँ.
हो रहा है,
या
बट पैसा तो आना चाहिए.
आना
Right.
चाहिए.
The smartest people are those who made money in COVID.
Hmm.
करेक्ट.
You know, घर बैठे बैठे उनका
Right, right.
पैसा बन रहा था क्योंकि उन्होंने उस हिसाब से इन्वेस्टमेंट्स किए थे.
Right.
You know, in the when the time is good हम लोग मजे करते हैं, when the time is bad फिर हम लोग का सजा होता है.
Right.
But if you struggle when the time is good, now when the time is bad, you will be the guy enjoying. So that is
Right.
what I
Wow.
realized after COVID. I studied more. I got, I did the exams and that kind of stuff. And I always offer free help for anyone who needs any advice in
Yeah.
investing.
Wow, that's
You know, because I think everyone should invest.
वाह.
So
And-
musician को मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ कि अगर आपको कुछ नई एडवाइस चाहिए एज अ फाइनेंसर, we
फाइनेंशियल.
have Mr. Clinton
Clinton जी.
with us.
Yeah.
So no, but this is good thing कि
Yeah.
सबको
Yeah,
पता
yeah,
लगना
yeah.
चाहिए
You
because
should.
as a musician like we travel a lot,
Yeah,
we
yeah.
earn, but वो जो पैसा है we don't know how to
save it, yeah.
save it.
You know, most of the people I know don't even have a good health insurance.
Right.
अरे बाप.
And I also made this mistake. I never had it for a good several years. And then my mom had cancer.
Okay.
And then I realized that she also didn't have a good insurance.
हम्म.
Then I realized that what am I doing in life? हम लोग इतना shows करके इतना पैसा कमा के
हाँ हाँ.
वो एक महीने में भी चला जा सकता है सीधा.
Right.
Your 5 years of money earned can literally, if things go very bad, go off in 1 month straight up.
Right.
You know, so you have to save, and you have to. Everyone should have a health insurance
Wow.
with any of the top private insurers in India, and don't. I mean, save as much as you can. Spend also, but
Yeah.
try to always save a chunk
Right.
so that when you reach a certain age, you know, in your
Yeah,
late
yeah.
30s or early 40s, then you don't have to rely on, you know, कि यार आज शो नहीं है, जॉब
हाँ,
नहीं है,
हाँ, job
या आज तो फ्लाइट्स कैंसिल हुए, आज तो शो नहीं हो रहा है, पैसा नहीं आ रहा है, you know, कोविड आ गया, then whatever happens you can still, because हमारा जो म्यूजिक का जॉब है, it's not a work from home job.
Right.
You know,
Yeah, yeah,
industry
yeah.
में doctors, engineers, everyone is on a work from home
Yes.
job at the moment because they can work from home.
Hmm.
We can't work from home.
Right.
So when we can't work from home, we have to travel miles to do our work.
Correct.
And then if we are not working and we are not earning in COVID, I've seen so many musicians end their careers. उनका end हो गया
बाप
क्योंकि
रे।
it was too difficult for anyone to survive
कुछ लोग
in
तो छोड़
Bombay.
भी देना बॉम्बे रेंटल.
बहुत लोगों ने छोड़ दिया, बहुत लोगों ने छोड़ दिया,
नहीं हो पाएगा.
and बहुत लोगों को लोगों ने फंसाया भी है. You know, COVID time was very bad time. You know?
Right.
So I think those who survived COVID, I think they all are the strongest of the strongest lot. So keep going. you
Keep
know.
going.
That's
Don't give
great.
up.
That's
Yeah.
great.
Wow.
And we are towards the end, and thank you, bro. मतलब for
I
coming
should
here.
thank you guys,
अरे
man.
no.
Thank you
Steve and
so
Sunit,
much.
thank
Hey.
you so much. It's
No,
been a pleasure
Thank you.
being on Music Vartalap. Hopefully
Thank
I'll
you.
be back soon.
Thank you so
Yes,
much.
yes, definitely with
Yeah.
girlfriends.
With a girlfriend.
With girlfriends,
One
एक
girl.
और couch फिर
ऐसा जोड़ना पड़ेगा.
Yeah.
अभी.
स्वयंवर भी
वो
कर
एक
लेते
आपने
हैं.
बोला ना अभी कि एक तो आप काम करो नहीं तो साइड में रखो, ऐसा कुछ ऑप्शन है क्या? रिच गर्ल से शादी किया और
Rich
फिर
girls.
फिर आपको कोविड भी हो कुछ भी हो
टेंशन नहीं.
टेंशन
Rich
नहीं है।
girl will marry a richer guy.
वो भी है भाई, ये सुन लो, ये
Rich
बहुत
girl will
इम्पोर्टेंट
marry a
है,
richer guy.
ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है।
Nice.
So
मगर प्यार हो गया तो सच्चा प्यार टाइप्स
फिर
वो
वो
है।
वो
अब
अलग सीन.
देखो मैं
Yes,
अभी
yes.
जितना बात किया ना, वो जो मेरे साथ हुआ, जो एक्सपीरियंस किया है उतना बताया मैं. अब सच्चा प्यार तक तो मैं पहुंचा नहीं हूँ, तो अब मैं
वो आगे वाले एपिसोड में
वो आगे वाले
True love।
एपिसोड में जब सच्चा
जब
प्यार
होगा,
का
तब
एक्सपीरियंस
होगा।
भी आ जाएगा तब वो भी शेयर करूंगा. फिलहाल तो सच्चा प्यार हो नहीं रहा है.
होगा भाई, पक्का होगा।
डेफिनेटली डेफिनेटली.
आपको एक्सेस मिल रहा है ना, आप तक कोई प्रॉब्लम
हाँ
नहीं।
वही है.
एक्सेस तो
Direct.
सबको मिलता है. अरे बाप रे, ये
बट
तो
पहुंच नहीं पा रहा है. ये नहीं जाएगा. ये गलती हो गई.
सेंसर कर दो इसको. No, but it's good.
Yeah,
It's good to hang with you guys.
Thank
and
you.
do this
और आपने
talk.
सब बात सही बोला, एकदम
Real.
रियल है, फिल्टर
Yeah,
नहीं,
I'm
फिल्टर नहीं,
very
straight,
no
straight,
filter, no
straight.
filter, straight up.
Yeah,
Straight up, if you want to
वही
survive
चीज़।
in Bollywood music industry,
Right.
you shouldn't be around the people who be like, अरे भाई आ जाओ, बहुत काम मिलेगा.
हाँ,
उनको बोलो भाई काम दे दो, फिर हम
मैं
आ
आऊंगा,
जाएंगे.
right.
तो पहले
You know?
पूछे ना, पासपोर्ट है ना? हाँ है, तो अपना आ रहा है।
Right.
पासपोर्ट
Tour
छोड़ो,
आ-
आधार कार्ड बनाओ,
right.
you know, फिर बॉम्बे आ जाओ, पहला रेंट भरो 3 महीना,
हाँ,
survive here and then see how much work you're actually
Right.
getting.
बाप रे,
Right.
You know, and you shouldn't be always dependent on someone else for work.
या
Right.
You should also
और
be
आई थिंक हमेशा पेरेंट्स को
independent.
भी तन नहीं करना है।
Yeah, yeah, of course, parents ही
पैसा।
if you're not from a musical family like me, parents don't even know. मेरे parents को तो पता भी नहीं है म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री
हाँ,
कैसा
हाँ,
चलता है, क्या होता है, you know, मैनेजर क्या करते हैं, you know, shows कहाँ क्या होता है, who pays, how do they don't know all of that also.
Got it.
So and you don't have your parents to guide you,
Yeah,
then it is difficult to trust anyone else apart from your parents. I would say never trust anyone
yeah.
unless you build that trust over here. मैं तो वो भी build करके मेरा टूट गया ट्रस्ट, तो मैं तो किसी पे ट्रस्ट भी नहीं करता हूँ.
समझ गया।
I have a very close circle of friends, but
Yeah,
also
yeah.
very nice people, and very, I would say, very very down to earth, and
Yeah.
That's great,
who
that's
एंड ऑफ द डे
who
इंसान
respect
अच्छा
us,
होना
you know?
चाहिए।
Right.
इंसान।
that's about it, respect.
Wow.
Yeah,
So-
yeah.
That's great. That's great.
Wow.
So even for a musician as a keyboardist, मैं सबको suggest करूँगा you can DM Clinton
Always,
directly
anytime.
for any
Yeah.
help. I
Yeah.
think
Clinton
he's a-
Charles official, that's my
Yes,
Instagram.
Yeah,
yes,
Instagram.
right.
Yeah,
And
you'll
आप
find it.
directly मैसेज कर सकते हो because मैंने जितना भी बार देखा है
हाँ,
he
हाँ।
help anyone,
Correct.
चाहे वो टेक्निकलिटी में हो या कीबोर्ड के बारे में हो या
या म्यूजिक के अलावा भी लाइफ में भी ना,
Of course.
of
Yeah,
course.
definitely you can message.
रिलेशनशिप एडवाइस लेने मत आओ,
Nah.
but
Yeah,
बाकी सब
वो-
तो ठीक है.
वो भी।
You know, breakup के बाद मत आओ मेरे पास.
वो वाला नहीं. But yes, as a technicality, if you need any help, so please go and talk with Clinton. He's an amazing person, and
Yeah.
हम लोग काफ़ी सालों
Very
से
kind,
connected
very
हैं. Yes,
humble.
and thank you so much once
Thank
again,
you
bro,
guys.
for coming
Yeah,
here.
thank
And लव टू टॉक विथ यू.
absolutely.
देखते हैं अभी नेक्स्ट एपिसोड आपका पार्ट 2 कब आता है
Part
जल्दी.
2, हाँ.
Yes. Thank you.
Part
Thank you.
two, part
Steve.
two
Thank you.
आएगा.
Yes,
Sunil.
and,
Thank you.
Thank you Clinton.
Please go and subscribe our YouTube channel called Music
Music
Vartalap,
Vartalap.
and we will meet very soon with more artists. Thank you so much. Yeah.